Swap in seconds. Swap daily to complement your wardrobe or mix and match with Barton's silicone quick release bands to take your timepiece from the workplace to the gym. Simply slide quick release knob with finger as shown in diagram. Select proper width, compatible with any traditional or smartwatch that uses 24mm spring bars. Quick release spring bars are included with and integrated into the band, so it's important that your watch's lug width matches exactly. Measure where band meets the watch casing. You can also find the specifications for most watches by searching online. After determining proper width, click your heels 3 times and select the corresponding width. Smartwatch widths. Product description section on this page lists proper widths for ASUS and Watch Ans and Watch 2, Fossil Q, Q Taylor, Q Gazer, YEI Watch, Watch 2 and Watch 2 Classic, MOTO 360 GEN 242mm men's and women's and MOTO 360 GEN 246mm, LG Watch, Urbane G, Urbane R and Watch Style, Pebble, Pebble 2, Pebble Round Large and most other Pebbles, Galaxy, Gear S2 Classic, S3 Classic, S3 Frontier, Gear Sport. TicWatch 2 and E, Withings Nokia Activite, Steel HR 36mm and Steel HR 40mm and others. Top grain and ideal comfort, hand-selected top grain leather with 316 stainless steel buckle. Treated underside is ultra soft against the skin and minimizes slipping while providing ideal comfort. Optimal fit, approximately 8 total length when not attached to watch, designed to fit wrists 5.75 to 8, but watch geometry also impacts fit. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Swap in seconds. Swap daily to complement your wardrobe or mix and match with Barton's silicone quick release bands to take your timepiece from the workplace to the gym.